Hello, this is Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a Barletta Cabrio 20UC. This is a pontoon model. It's the blue sapphire with champagne exterior. It's a very sharp looking boat. You have your rear entry with a swim ladder. This one is powered by 115 horse command thrust. You have the rear facing speakers. The interior on this boat is new for this year. This is the Carmela tan. You have removable cup holders, dual captain seats. You have a Lowrance fish finder GPS. And new for this year, this is the 20-foot with the lounger. This boat is powered, has the power canopy, RGB lights, and you have your doggy view. If you have any questions, please call Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City.